Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi 9, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel as I just did and look for the toggle. So now either I don't see it or it is not here. Oh no, there it is. Hotspot. So right over here. So we can disable it and actually hold it. We can drag it over so it's actually visible. We go click on done, and where did it get moved to? There we go. So there it is. So from here you can hold it. This will take us to the settings. And from here we have, well, obviously the toggle right at the top, but more importantly we have the setup portable hotspot, which will allow us to change the password. By default, just set some randomly generated password, so we can completely remove it if we don't want it and set our own. Now it needs to have at least 8 characters in length, and once it does, you can save it. Apart from that, you can also change the name of the Wi-Fi right here where it's Redmi 9. So if you want something else, you can just name it whatever you want. And we also have this the AP band. And this will allow you to change it to also 5 GHz if you want to. Now I'll mention right off the bat, the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band is something completely separate from the 5G networking. This is strictly for the Wi-Fi and not for actual connectivity, like the cellular data. So older devices will still have 5G or 5 GHz Wi-Fi band before, for instance, the 5G mobile networking was a thing. Now keep in mind that phones probably from like 2014 or something like that, 2015, may not support it. I don't exactly remember when it came out, but overall the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band will be faster and more stable than the 2.4. And if you're not sure if your phone supports it, just turn it on. And once you save it and try to enable the hotspot and your phone can't see your Wi-Fi at all, then that means that it just doesn't support it. And all you need to do is just go back to the settings and drop it down to, by tapping on it, and drop it to 2.4 instead. And everything will work fine then. So once you have selected all the settings and changed them, you can save it, leave this, and basically forget about changing those settings ever again because you don't need to. And all you need to do now is simply toggle it on and off whenever you need it. Now also, I'll mention to keep in mind when it's enabled and disabled when it's not needed. Otherwise, it's going to be using a little bit more battery from your device for, well, no reason. So that is how you would enable it and set it up. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.